And it is officially golden hour, which is the last hour before the sunset and after the sunset also. It is 5 p.m. and I am at Praia do Aterro, another fascinating and breathtaking beach in Porto region. More specifically, Matosinhos is the municipality here in Portugal, and I'm enjoying to the max, as this is the 13th beach I visit today, and let's see if I'm gonna be able to make two more in order to make it 15. But time is running up. It is less than an hour until the full sunset, but I have not so far until the two other beaches that we have left. But now it's to enjoy here and to see how it is. So here we would have strong waves, I think, because it's quite an open sea, unless, okay, they don't look that much strong. Let's see if there is some rocks inside or not. But this looks amazing. I think by far this might be the best beach so far I visited today, because of these breathtaking views. One minus thing is that I can also see the factories from here. But I mean, it's not that bad. Ooh, okay, now we're talking. Oh my god, look at those waves and how it connects with the sunset. Okay, the waves are not that strong. It is actually quite long, this stretch over here, so that's good. Now these are pleasant waves. These are not that strong as earlier today. Oh, I see one very huge. Let's look at it. Okay, that was a bit strong, yes, but it was nice. And all this foam, it's amazing. Ah, now it's big one is coming. Amazing, amazing. Let's then dive in. Woo. Here comes one more. So nice. Now these are pleasant waves, not so strong like earlier today. Now let's enjoy more in the waves and the beautiful sunset that is coming up. Look at that. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Whee! Ooh. Amazing. Beautiful. Look at that fun. So if you are a fan of waves, you should come to Portugal, as in the Atlantic Ocean it's always giving the most beautiful waves here. Even when I was here in 2017, it was also the same amount of waves. It's brilliant. Amazing. Okay, let's wrap up from Praia do Aterro. as I'm really enjoying here. And let's catch the sunset on the upcoming two beaches, as I need to check in the hotel later also and take a rest. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!